When I write an Apex app that's replacing Excel or Access on the desktop, there's a reason for that. We want the data in an enterprise database where it's secure, where business rules are applied all the time.
Where it's actually backed up as opposed to, oh, I lost my laptop, boom, gone.
And it's up to date. And it's up to date. You can go in, 24 hours later, and if there was an update, you've got it, and it's right there in your report. I think we can do it. I know we're going to deliver something that's better and more flexible, easier to deploy, more secure. It's going to reach more people in the company. Security is big because it's a medical diagnostics firm.
Mm-hmm.
They can't afford to be downloading to Excel and doing stuff that way, I think.
Especially with all that HIPAA regulation and stuff like that, I'm sure that a lot of the practices that are easy to do are probably not in line with the HIPAA regulation.
Very much so, which is why we have a lot of work at this one particular company, because there's really complex stuff being done in Access and Excel, and the reports. One of the neatest apps I was able to do, one of my favorites, was to take some enterprise statistics, quality control stuff that was really complex and real neat statistics. I'm an engineer at heart. To be able to do good statistics was kind of fun, and to generate the charts and graphs to match what Excel did. Of course, when you go from an Excel page that could have 120 charts on it, one for each laboratory, one for each test, for example, we don't want to do it that way on a page. So, there's some translation, but we did some really neat stuff, and they have their house of quality, the quick view that says you're inbounds or out of bounds. And we could set that up as like a mini slideshow that just goes through test. And you could see, stop here because this guy has outliers, stop at this next one. And they as a common practice, monthly statistics, if you have outliers in your laboratory, you get reviewed and you have to answer to every outlier, which is how we like to see things done. So now they have an online tool that they can do that's always up to date. It's 100% Apex. We automated all the data loads using the database. It's secure. It used to be everybody could see everything. Now you only see what you're supposed to, according to what your laboratory does. So huge win for them. Working with some of the top statistics guys of that company is really neat for me, because they care about what they're doing, and they're analyzing things in really cool ways. And so I'm learning some about statistics while I'm able to deliver to them something that works for them, that they go, of course, now I see. And and when we're in a demo and their top managers go, oh, wait, why is that out of sync? How come, Denver is off on that particular test? Now I know they're doing a job looking at the demo. So it's like, okay, we're getting there. And that's
because they're actually getting actionable data that they can make decisions on, and it's being presented in a way that actually works for them.
Exactly. I mean, that's what we're supposed to do all the time. But when we're making that major shift from an Excel spreadsheet and an Access database to a web page, and the manager immediately goes, aha, there's my problem. You did it right.
Yeah.
I love that.
So they were letting you do demos on their live data, then say, and ECPP picked up, hey, wait a minute, there's the problem.
Yeah. Well, actually, I do tell them, we do our demos on development data, and it was funny because this top statistics guy is saying, why are they so out of whack? And we had to reel him back into the demo because he was off on why are they so out of whack? And,
That's great.